Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're going to deal with this little die. It's only one. Okay, dice is more than one. This is just one, so it's die. It has a bunch of little dots. Okay. Oh, let me pick it up really quick. All right, so like I was saying, it has a bunch of little dots. It has a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Okay, so it has 6 different numbers, right? 6 sides. If I were to roll this die, okay, I will roll it. What is the probability that we will roll an even number? Okay. Well, first of all, we need to know how many sides we have total. Okay, because the way you set up your equation is your outcome over total. Okay, so outcome over total. So we know that we have a total of 6 sides, right? Because it's 6 different dots. Okay, so we know the total equals 6. Now that we know that, we can say 6 on the bottom. Now the outcome means whatever we're looking for. In this case, we're looking for even numbers. Okay, so if I pick up my die again, we have even numbers. We have a 2, we have a 4, and we have a 6. Okay, so we have a total of 3 even numbers. So our answer is 3 over 6, which we always have to reduce, becomes 1/2. So the probability of rolling an even number on the die is 1/2. Okay. What if I wanted to roll a 4? Okay. There's only one 4, right? Notice that they're all different. There's only one 4. So what is the probability of me rolling a 4? 1 out of 6. Because there's only one 4. Okay? Make sure you write everything down. Now we're going to do another one with something different. This time, I have this spinner. Okay? If I were to spin this spinner, first of all, we need to know how many total we have. Okay? So let's see. Let's start off with this brown one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Because we started here. We have 8 total. So remember, the spinner has 8 total. So spinner, 8. Okay? So now that the spinner has 8, what is the probability that the spinner, if I spin it, will land on blue? Okay? How many blues do we have? We have 2 blues, right? So we know that the outcome is 2 out of, what's our total? 8, right? So we can say 2 out of 8. Which if we reduce it, we always have to reduce it. Remember, they're both factors of 2. So 2 can go into 2, 1. 2 can go into 4. 2 can go into 8. I pretty much give you guys the answer, which is 4. So 1/4. So the probability that if I spin this spinner, it will land on a blue is 1/4. Okay? And that is probability. Okay? So the probability of getting something out of a total. So make sure you have everything written down. make sure you write down how many of each we have, because for the assignment you're going to need it. We have 4 brown. Okay, we have 4 brown. 4 brown. We have 2 blue. 2 blue. We have 1 pink and 1 orange. 1 pink, 1 orange. Okay. So here's your assignment for today. Okay. We're gonna do a little bit of both. We're gonna do a little bit of a die. Okay. And then the spinner. Okay. For your first assignment for today, what is the probability on this die, if I roll it, that it will land on an odd number? Okay, that's the first one. So your first one is number 1, odd number. Okay. Number 2, what is the probability that on the spinner, okay, the spinner right here, might land on a brown? Okay. So number 2, okay, so brown. And the last one is, what is the probability, again, the spinner, that if you spin it, it will land on pink? Okay, so the last one is pink. So there's your 3 assignments, or your assignment for today is, what are the odds of the die at landing on an odd number? The probability that the spinner will land on a brown shape, or in a brown triangle, should I say? And then number 3, again, the spinner might land on the pink triangle. Make sure you send me your answers as soon as you're done watching the video, and I'll be waiting for your email.